So for today's video, we have dancehall artist Spice celebrating doing Sumfest tonight, July 22nd, as well as working on her new album or new release, Clap Clap, and being independent.
No regular, spin it me, spin it like it a propeller. Clap it, make it spin up like it a propeller. Tell them your pocket full of money like a bank teller. Your panty seat no yellow like a mozzarella. Clap it, make it spin like Ella umbrella. Too low, the can slap up, make your body echo. Clap up your funny, you no soft like a marshmallow. Pony ya no jello, no come on like a Lego. You fucking me na sneakers are in you stiletto. Make your body jaw, clap up like a round of applause. Clap, clap, clap. Blood clot, I eat this it up. Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? Today's the day. Today's a big day for me, you know. Let me turn on the AC. I can't blow my ear and I go on with a bag of things. Morning, besties! Today's the day! Sumfest, we're on our way. Montego Bay getting ready. Today's a big day for me. Okay, you know, Sumfest is a big thing. It's not a small thing. Big up Joe Bogdanovich and the whole Sumfest team. We're on our way to Montego Bay from early. Okay, you know, we get put up in a nice hotel. So if we go down there, go rest our body. Or if we go beside the pool. Or if we eat out the people them food up at the hotel and go out with a bag of things. But I just want you guys to know. Let me turn this down. Shaggy album I playing at the background. It wake me up every morning. Make sure y'all grab his album as well. But listen guys, my song is out. I just drop a song today. It's called Clap Clap. This is for the girl who can make them body jaw clap, 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 clap. I'm still learning. So if you don't know, you don't have to worry yourself. Me and you can learn together, besties. We can learn together. I know for shape my body and everything. But to make it clap together, it's really difficult for me. But I'm learning. So we're going to learn together. See that? I can't wait to see you at Sumfest. I can't wait to see you guys either. You know, there's always a little hiccups. I'll talk about the hiccups after. But you know, God cover we right through. We're not worried about nothing at all. We are super excited. We're ready. We're anxious. We're not outside for almost 2 years. And we soon know, yeah, it's going to be a problem. Yeah, we're going to learn together. But I'm not there by myself, you know. I want you guys to know that even though I've been super busy, you know, a long time, you know, see me I post a lot, you know, ask me for the songs. Y'all haven't been hearing the songs. We don't have the song now. So stream it and support it. Stream it all day today. Make when I reach a Montego Bay, I feel good and the streams them high. Go search for Clap Clap and buy it and stream it. Don't stop stream it today. Because the album is coming soon, but we got to talk about that. You all know what was happening. You know, first I released Captured. I gave you 10, but guess what? Today's a big day. I'm free today. I am a free artist. I'm an independent artist. So I'm getting ready to release my project called Emancipated. Besties, we did it. I want to big up everybody who stuck with me, Stuck with me. That's a word, I just create a blood clot word. Everybody who stuck with me. But I like that door you turn up by my AC. I want to talk about this. I want to bring up every single bestie and fans who stood with me through thick and thin. At Jamaica, don't worry about the sweat, outside hot. But there were so many of you who don't fight with me, who don't never give up, who don't believe in me. And when me an independent artist and me alone I do it, who still embrace me, who push me right through the song them, go #1, the song them I hit, who never give up, who never leave, who never fail me. So besties, this is all because of you. But today I can say to you guys, I honestly and truly love each and every one of you. Thank you for supporting me through day one. I'm now an independent artist and it's something big. It's something to talk about. Yes, and big up to Shaggy, the great Shaggy. I have to big him up. No other than Mr. Arville himself. Mr. Arville Borrell, big up yourself, Shaggy. I can say I'm independent. I'm a free artist. And I'm working on my project to release to you in August. And it's called Emancipated. Because I'm free! And today, the first song is out and it's called Clap Clap. Me go stop the way for talking. I clap clap the talk about. When I go outside, me there when me dance to them, you know, we go Sumfest. So me dance to them, yeah. Hold on, we do not understand. Start over the song again. Who will play the song? Hold on. Why? Your panty seat, no yellow like a mozzarella. Tap it, make it spin like Rihanna. Me say, walk one, why? Yeah, yeah, yeah. No come on like a Lego. You're fucking in the same cause the clap, 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 clap. What's the dance again? Clap, 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 clap. Take your watty jack, clap up like a round of applause. Clap, 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 clap. Panty seats like even though. Why? I walk one. Mina! You watch me to the max like a big coin stocks, big tax, make it jump. Come on, no can. But to come me, but tell me who mother can this. Me a the baddest in this. What Dr. Mila in the house. Let me see what one, yes sir. Why? Clap, clap, spinning like a propeller. Move like a propeller. How come you have a sir? Let me see some one, yes sir. Tap up like a round of applause. Blood seed. Tell them kiss me ras. Blood clot seed, yeah. Why? One more again. Up there, y'all. Start over by the song. We're outside. Sumfest, we're on our way. Sumfest, Montego Bay, we are on our way. Clap, clap is out. What if we can't go up here, so maybe we got down today. Spinning like a propeller. Yes, Mina! Clap, 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 clap. Whoa! One CC! Yeah! Yeah, girl! Yeah! 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 Up there! Yeah! Blood clot! Yeah! 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 Tired! You're tired! Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Blood seed! Yeah! 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 Whoa! 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 Yeah! 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 Clap! 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 Alright, Shams, let me see what you have one. Pussy pretty flow stacks, man love it, that's fact. Yeah. Me watch me to the max like a big coin stacks. Yeah. My time now. My time now. Yeah. 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 It have a turn on. It have a turn on. Yeah. Yeah. Make your body drop. Yeah. Yeah. Go on over there. Go on over there. Go on over there. Go on over there. Hey, banana tree we go. We're gonna have banana. Let's spread a lizard. Let's spread a lizard. Umbrella. Spin it, me a spin it like it's a propeller. What me say? What me say? Make it bite you. Make it bite you, me say. Spin it, me a spin it like it's a propeller. Can be the deep. People can't hear us, Sam. Come here, sir. Clap, clap out. Clap it, make it spin like Rihanna. Make your body echo. Clap up your fanny, you know soft like a marshmallow. Bunny and no jello, no come on like a Lego. You're fucking in the sneakers, therein, you stiletto. Make your body drop, clap up like a round of applause. Clap, 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 clap. Any girl no lie. But artists have to get pull up, hold on. Pull up. Them not understand. Song out now. Clap it out now. Song is out. Make it stream it. Clap, clap. Stream it. It's out now. Make it clap. Make your body drop, clap, clap. It's too low, it a clap, clap. Stand up and a clap, clap. Make your body drop, clap, 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 clap. Make your body drop, clap, clap. Spin it like a propeller. Stand up and a clap, clap. Load like a propeller. Make your body drop, clap, clap. Load like a propeller. Too low, it a clap, 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 clap. Girl, if you clap it, make it spin up like it's a propeller. Tell them your pocket full of money like a bank teller. Your panty seat, no yellow like a mozzarella. Clap it, make it spin like Rihanna. Clap up, make your body echo. Clap up your fanny, you know soft like a marshmallow. Take them on, Grace. No jello, no come on. Take them on, G. Yo, you have to know to make the body go clap, 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 clap.
I'll not touch the screen, man. Johnny.
Guys, the song is out. Play
If me tell them kiss me raw,
the song nice like dumpling and saltfish.
make it clap,
The song nice
clap,
like
clap.
dumpling and saltfish.
make it clap.
Sumfest, we're on our way.
Make your body jaw clap,
Clap,
clap.
clap, out now.
It too loud, it a clap, clap. Stand up and a clap, clap. Make your body jaw clap, 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 clap. Make your body jaw clap, clap. Spin it like a propeller. Stand up and a clap, clap. Load like a propeller. Make your body jaw clap, clap. Load like a propeller. Too loud, it a clap, 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 clap. Girl, if you clap it, make it spin up like it a propeller. Tell them your pocket full of money like a bank teller. Your panty seat, no yellow like a mozzarella. Clap it, make it spin like Rihanna, Ella, umbrella. Too loud, it a stop up, make your body echo. Clap up your body, you know, start like a marshmallow. Put me a no jello, no come on like a Lego. You fucking me not silly, cause the arena you still let go. Make your body jaw, clap up like a
What's up? Make your body jaw clap up like a round of applause. Yes, Anna! Yes, Anna! Pretty, pretty plus tax man, love it, that's box clean bikini wax. See, watch me to the max. Get man from them M's. CC, get them something. But to call me, but tell me who but that can this. Me a give and they say that this what you waste and that is. I say me bend up in a S that is a contact. Cock it, sticky, Road, ready. I love you guys. Clap, clap, clap. Hey! Wow! Big up yourself. Thank you for supporting me. You always do. The song out today. Clap, clap it name.
Oh gosh.
We have to say the clean version.
Yes,
that's it very dirty. This is
Ron Mouchette.
Ron Mouchette. You know he played the clean song them, so I'm going to clean it up just for you.
Anytime.
Yes.
You know I am in that.
Big up.
Just a big up say, come see I come out for the flight attendant.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, so me just a big up.
Yeah man, clap clap out today. Ron Mouchette, big up, you know.
Big up.
You always support the music. I love you, brother.
Love you too. Oh,
Yeah, the radio man them out. Look here, the clean version there as well. I'll do a clean version for you guys specifically. Cause I know my mouth very dirty. Yeah man, my mouth is very dirty. Okay, I sweat right through. Sumfest, get ready. We're on our way to Montego Bay. But guys, the song is out. The link is in my bio. Make sure you stream it. Watch it on YouTube. The video is out. The song is out. It's available everywhere. Big up to Stealth Music. Big up Dr. Mida. Wonder Woman Production. Shaggy, I love you. Can't stop love you. Nothing can change the love I have for you. United Masters, big up on yourself. You are the distribution on this one, and I'm super excited for the entire project and the entire team. Get ready for my album, guys. It's called Emancipated. Clap, clap out today. Stream it, available everywhere. I love you, besties. Pray for me. Sumfest, you know them. Yeah. I love you guys. See you soon. Big up on yourself. Clap, clap out. Clap, clap out. Make your body draw. Clap, clap. Spinning like a propeller. Spinning like a, girl, your feet clapping, make it spin up like it a propeller. Tell them your pocket full of money like a bank teller. Your panty seat no yellow like a mozzarella. Your clapping make it spin like Rihanna, Ella, umbrella. It too loud, it a clap up, make your fanny echo. Clap up your fanny, you know soft like a marshmallow. Puni and no jello, no come on like a Lego. You fucking me in a sneakers, arena, you stiletto. Make your body jaw, clap up like a rope.